What is a fixative? It is a spray that you use to spray on your artwork or drawings to help protect it and make it last. Do you need it? Maybe, maybe not. I'm still learning. But in art tip number 6, I will show you how I use it. Since you are spraying chemicals, try to do this outside. Wear some gloves and a mask. Mount your artwork on a piece of cardboard and stand it up on a wall. Use the artist tape to attach it to the cardboard. Now shake the can vigorously for 2 minutes. And the reason why you want it propped up so the liquid doesn't drop down onto your artwork. Hold the spray can about 6 to 9 inches. Spray it in a sweeping motion on one side first, and then you can continue until you coat everything. It dries in about 10 to 15 minutes, but don't handle it after about an hour. Read the safety on the back of the spray can, especially on how to clean the spray can after every use. Also, wash your hands after using. Now, not every piece needs a fixative. If your work is already sealed, like an acrylic painting with a varnish, you should be fine, unless you're worried about fading over time. There's also a different type of fixative you can apply. Where it really does earn its place is like with dry media, like pencil, charcoal, pastel, chalk, or mixed media with those elements, because those can easily smudge or lift. So that could be your rule of thumb to determine which one you're going to apply your fixative to. Honestly, I don't use it on everything I make, only on the pieces where smudging is a real risk. And even then, I really just started really looking into that and making sure that my older art pieces are intact. And as I'm looking through my older art pieces, I noticed that some of them could use it, but at least I have my head around it now and getting more comfortable in using it. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please share it out. Also, subscribe for more art tips. Hope to see you next time.